All right, guys, welcome to Spring Cleaning the Bathrooms Part 2, Bathtubs and Showers. So always look forward to the bathtubs and showers, right? Because they're the last things you want to clean besides the toilet. So I'm going to show you some spring cleaning ideas for your bathtubs and your showers. I've got a couple of different kinds in my house, so we're going to kind of take a tour, and I'm going to show you my favorite things for each different kind of bathtub. So this one is, the surround. Very easy just to use the bathroom scrub mitt and be able to get this gunk off the walls and get them all nice and clean. This is really, really easy to use and gives you a large surface area. Now, sometimes you come across stuff that, who knows what these marks are caused by. Honestly, I don't know what my kids do in the shower. Take a little bit of cleaning paste. This mess, this is terrible. All right, next we have the garden tub. We all love them, but we hate to clean them, right? Because it kills your back to lean over those suckers. So I want to show you some simple ways to clean your garden tub. All right, first one, the bathroom scrub mitt works great as a slipper. You can get that right on your foot and easily scrub the bottom of your tub. Like, it's really easy. And then you can be standing, right, and get the sides. Another thing I like to use is my handheld system with the wet mop pad. I put a little bit of the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent down, and then I can scrub all over the tub. And it's a lot easier on my back. Then I rinse it and get all the hair out. Hey. All right, guys, the last shower that I have for you is the tile shower. Gotta love the echo in here. So I absolutely adore using my mop. I take just a little bit of the Ultra Power Plus detergent. I dip my mop pad in it, and then I can easily clean the walls all the way up to the ceiling. And it goes so fast. I really don't have to worry about rinsing them off. All the way down. And then I also, in this shower, because it gets kind of nasty, I took one of the silicone lids and put it over the drain, and I threw a scoop of the Ultra Power Plus detergent and a couple of drops of the heavy duty degreaser, and I filled this up and let that water soak in here for a little bit, and then I can take my mop again and easily go over the tiles and get so much of just the gunk and the red out. This is a lot even more effective if you have large tiles on the bottom of your floor. But this is a great way to get all over the tiles done really quickly and easily. And then I will take my utility brush, here it is, for these spots that are still, where it didn't come out of grout. I got some really deep grout lines, and so I have to use the utility brush sometimes. And I can show you that. I'll take this down here, flip it around. All right. So I can show you, you can see, over here is pretty good. All right, so I sprayed these with Descaler already so that can be soaking. And then I take my Spiri sponge and my cleaning paste and I just give them a good rub down. All right, guys, I hope you got some creative ideas for how you can spring clean those bathrooms or the showers and tubs. And if you have any questions or you need some other ideas, please let me know. I'm happy to get some things together for you, okay? Next up is the toilets. Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4.